Hello and welcome to my Pentart Playbook series. I'm Shannon from Pick and Booze Vintage, and what I'm going to do is each month I'm going to show you a different set of Pentart products and describe how to use them. The Pentart Stone Effect Paste is a water-based paste that imitates the look of natural stone. It comes in a variety of shades and colors, and it is super easy to use. Now, when do you want to use it? It's ideal for creating stone-like textures or brick textures on mixed media projects. You can use it on home decor or even furniture. It's simple to use. The first thing you need to do is just make sure you stir it thoroughly. Then you can either apply it with a brush or a palette knife. You can run it through a stencil or you can put it directly on your project. Colors can be mixed for a unique look. I like to mix the colors because I've never seen an authentic brick that's all one natural color. I like to have it where it's different shades, different colors. And then once it's dry, you can sand it for added texture. Okay, some pro tips. You can combine this stone paste with other pastes to create, different varied textures. You can run this through a brick or a stone stencil. It really gives a beautiful, perfect looking brick, stone, authentic look. You can seal it to protect it if you want, and do avoid putting the paste down the drain. Make sure you clean your brush as much as possible before you rinse. If your stone paste becomes too thick, you can put a little bit of water in it and stir it up, and it'll reconstitute it to get it to the desired texture where it used to be.